Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 7.1 that is launched for the price of Rs 19,999, and this phone comes with 4GB of RAM, 64GB storage, while the processor is the same that was on the Nokia 6.1 Plus, which is this one. It's the Snapdragon 636 chipset, which is quite famous in several smartphones, mainly from Xiaomi. So the performance of that one is quite good, and along with that you have this Android One program. So you have the regular software updates, regular Android updates, even the major ones and the security ones. And we know that Nokia is one of those brands that has been working on the timely software updates. So this is the box package. The price of this is mentioned as 24,500 on the top, but the actual price is 20,000 rupees. And this is the set of quick specs. That's a 5.84 inch full HD plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It's called the Pure Display, and this comes with the HDR technology on the display. So one major change from the 6.1 Plus is that it comes with that HDR display. On the back is a 12+5 combination for the cameras, where there's an f1.8 aperture on the primary camera, and it comes with the Zeiss optics, which is common with several Nokia smartphones. On the front, there's an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera as well. So this is the set of major features of the phone. It also comes with a 3060 mAh battery. Let's quickly unbox the phone. So firstly, this is the phone. If you keep the Nokia 7.1 beside the 6.1 Plus, you can see there's a difference on the side, mainly because of the fact that it was not that premium 6000 series aluminum on the 6.1 Plus, but the 7.1 now has that 6000 series aluminum frame on the side. There's that glass back, which is the same one, and there's that rim on the camera on the side, the silver kind of rim, and the color is changed for the fingerprint sensor. There's no rim on the 7.1. Otherwise, they both look almost the same. But it seems that this is a bit heavier, or it also is a bit more sturdier to feel when compared to 6.1 Plus. So let's keep the previous phone beside, and also the Nokia 7.1. Now, the first accessory is this SIM ejector tool. Then this is the set of booklets. First one is product and safety info, then the quick start guide, and this is about the Nokia mobile care support that is preloaded on your phone. So the first accessory that you see in the box, apart from the SIM ejector tool, is this QC 3.0 charger. That's 9V2A or 5V3A output on this charger. So the phone supports that fast charging, and there's this Type-C cable that is given along with that. And there's a set of earphones which I don't feel that are any good, because you don't see that rubberized ear cups. It's those plastic ones. So this is something that most of you might not use, but the charger is at least having that fast charge support, which is a good thing here. So this is the Nokia 7.1, and the Plus is going to come later. This is the physical aspect of the phone. On the left you see this is the SIM card section. On the top is the secondary microphone, as well as the 3.5 headset jack. On the right are the buttons, the power button and the volume rocker button. Towards the bottom, what you see is the speaker grill, the Type-C port, and the primary microphone. And these are the antenna cuts given on the bottom and on the top as well, since this is a metallic frame and a glass body. Now, getting into the device, this is the front of the phone that has a 5.84 inch display, which is the HDR display. One special feature again about this phone, and it's a Full HD Plus that's coming with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection to keep it scratch free, though it doesn't resist any falls. And this is the chin towards the bottom with the Nokia branding, and on the top is this notch area that houses the camera, the earpiece grill, as well as the sensors. And this is the Android One. So you see the stock Android, the basic Android that comes with the major Google applications and not everything else. There's no other pre-installed applications. These are the basic ones: the Nokia support app, the wallpapers, and the Google applications here. Getting into the about section, this phone comes with the Android 9, that's the Android 9 Pie version, and we are sure that this will get two more major updates, because that is what Android One program is about. You get at least two major Android updates, and you get monthly or every 60 days you get this security updates, and that has been something that Nokia has been doing quite well with its updates. It has been always on time. And since it's basic Android, you don't see a lot of gesture features, you don't see anything that is special, but you can at least go to the screen lock and see what all are available there. You have the fingerprint sensor. There's no face unlock given here, but you have this fingerprint sensor on the back of the device. Let's try to quickly set that up. So now I'll have to touch the sensor. This is the area, so let's start. So it was quite quick with the registration. At least it didn't ask for any side tabs to register it more. So let's see how fast is the unlocking of the phone. So let me place the finger, and it does take time to unlock or activate the screen. Though the registration is fast and the vibration is happening quite quick, but in the end it is taking time to actually load the interface. So that is something to do with the software, but not with the sensor, because the sensor is working fine and it was quite fast in recognizing the fingerprint. So that is the fingerprint security. We don't see face unlock here, though we were told that they will be face unlock on this phone, but the security settings don't show that. Now getting into the major aspect of this phone, that is the camera. Apart from the display, what is advertised as something good is the camera setup here. And it is a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel combination, out of which the 12 megapixel one comes with the f1.8 aperture. It has a dual pixel autofocus and the 1.28 micrometer of sensor size and pixel size, and there's also a 5 megapixel camera with the f2.4 aperture. It's a fixed focus one, but it comes with the black and white filter, and it is that for that depth sensing as well as to take more details of the capture. So that is the camera setup on the back. On the front is this 8 megapixel f2.0 camera for the selfies, and the Nokia's camera application has quite a lot to offer. The photo mode, there's also the pro mode, which helps you change the white balance, the ISO settings, as well as the colors and the exposure values. This is the live bokeh that would do the bokeh effect for any picture, and that happens live. You don't have to do that later, but you can choose to have the depth settings later as well once you take the capture. There's this panorama option and also the square capture. Square is for those Instagrammers. There's slow motion capture and time lapse as well. So this is these are the different modes. This is the video where we can go into the settings and check out the resolution that is available. So with the rear camera, you can actually capture 4K videos at 30 FPS, which is a good thing that you see here. And on the front facing camera, you can take 1080p videos with that 8 megapixel camera. And we aren't told about the EIS support. There's nothing like you can stabilize this. It's all natural capturing, so you won't be able to use any EIS on this, even for the 1080p videos. And on the back, there's a dual flash, and on the front, there's no flashlight support. And these are the different options. Again, you have those AR stickers for the rear and front cameras. There's the single mode, dual mode, and the picture in picture. So this is the picture in picture mode, where you can make this area as the secondary camera. You can tap that and change it to the front or back. And there's also the beautification option given here. This is the front facing camera of the phone, which also has a similar set of features, and you can have that beautification option, and you also have the motion capture as well. And beautification is this one. This is the dual mode, and this is the self timer. This is a flashlight. Flash basically here means that the screen flash. It doesn't have any flash on the front. And this bokeh mode even for the front facing camera, but that is not a natural bokeh because it's a single camera. So this is all artificial bokeh done by the software. Let me take a quick selfie with the bokeh mode itself. So this is that selfie, and you can see here that the blur on the background is quite good. Even the borders are done quite well. This is actually better than what we saw on the Oppo's A7 yesterday, and even on the Vivo Y95. But then the selfie quality, the brightness, that was better on the Oppo and Vivo phones. But the bokeh is seen to be done here better. So this was the cameras on the Nokia 7.1, and this is overall the quick hands-on and the unboxing of the Nokia 7.1 smartphone. And if you have any other questions, do let me know, and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.